how to use Harmony on Binance for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Harmony, which is a open and fast blockchain platform which runs on Ethereum application and has a 2-second transaction finality and 100 times less lower transaction fees as compared to the Ethereum blockchain. So what are the statistics of this platform or blockchain? What is the token, the native token of Harmony, and what are the things you need to know about Harmony before you choose to buy the Harmony token? So we are going to cover all of that. Now, before we get into how to buy the Harmony token, what the token is like, we're going to discuss what Harmony actually is. So they are run all the Ethereum applications with a more scalable, secure, and decentralized platform by leveraging over 250 nodes per shard and cryptographic randomness to reshard regularly. They have 3 critical pillars, obviously, which is to have secure, random state, and sharding. So they have quite the security as compared to Ethereum networks. And all blockchains are very secure and safe, but Harmony focuses on the sharding method to make their blockchain a lot more secure. Now, if we take a look at Harmony's vision, there is a lot more that we can learn, but a lot of you might actually be looking into the tokens of Harmony. So the native token of Harmony is called One, and we will be discussing it in a lot more detail. But before that, we are actually going to take a look at the things that you can build. So they have a open source software for other developers as well, and they have a lot of developer resources, the APIs, the TradeFi to DeFi transactions or bridging, the code base, the weekly developer meeting, developer bounties, and the templates and tutorials for different people. So Harmony is for you to open up your assets, collectibles, NFTs. You can use all of that with Harmony as well and build your own network on Harmony. And because it is a open source software, you have quite the availability of different code available. So for developers, Harmony might be a better option as compared to Ethereum because it has a lot of what Ethereum has plus other things as well. Now, if we take a look at Harmony over here, then Harmony also has a native token called One. Now, One is the native token of Harmony, and that is what a lot of you guys might be tuned into seeing. Now, One is ranked 106 according to CoinMarketCap presently. It is present on over almost 500k watch lists, and the overall market cap for the One token is around 250 million. The fully diluted market cap is around 270 million, and the overall 24-hour trading volume for today was 140 million, and the overall circulating supply for One is 12 billion. So you can see that One is a token that is very popular and quite the large total supply. The overall circulating supply is 12 billion and the total supply is 13 billion presently, and it could increase as well with the minting of more tokens. But what are the price estimates? What should we be going off of with the One token? Now, if we take a look at the Harmony to USD chart over here, so you can see the price for any crypto token in the daily charts is going to show up as very volatile. But if we move on to the weekly chart over here, you can see that this token had a dip. It went down to 0.01862, and then the token climbed up to 0.02443. And you can see that this coin has the potential to grow immensely because it is so popular, and the current price of 0.01995 has gone down by 1.39% as according to the Ethereum and BTC price for today. So it went down by 1.39% today, but so did Ethereum and BTC. They went down by 1% and 2%. So it is reasonable that this coin also followed suit because as the price of Ethereum or Bitcoin changes, so do other tokens. So if we take a look at the monthly chart of Harmony, Harmony went up by 0.028 and then it has gone down a sharp decline. Harmony has been declining for quite a while, and the 3-month data I have told you guys is not indicative because of the pump and dump that recently happened a couple of months ago. So it is going to be skewed, but even if we take a look at the yearly data suggests that Harmony had quite an increase in price, but it has slowly been decreasing And if you cannot hold your money in Harmony for over a year, if you don't have the money to spare to hold in Harmony for over a year, I would recommend that you don't invest in Harmony, because Harmony is not going to be a token that you can easily buy right now and sell within a couple of weeks or a couple of months. You will have to wait for the growth, because it is a very popular token in the gaming world, in the gaming community, but it is going to be more difficult for you to actually be able to get this token and spread it around and get the actual value of this token until you hold it for quite a while. It is a stable token. I'm not saying that it is going to be a token that is going to wither away, but it's a token that you will have to wait to see the growth and the potential growth for this as well. However, Harmony is readily available to purchase. So if we take a look at Harmony on Binance, you can see that the graph is a linear downward spiral for Harmony, because you can see it had a very sharp increase over here, and since that it has only been going down. The price for this token is going to go down further. That is a estimation that is based on my own observing of this token specifically, but I do expect the price for Harmony to go slightly lower, and then there might be a increase in price, but it's going to be followed by the decline as well. And then after around 3, 4, 5 months, you will be able to see a slow and steady climb for the Harmony token. Now, you can purchase Harmony on Binance simply by clicking, or Harmony or the one token on Binance by clicking buy one. You can enter the amount that you want, and then you can click on buy one over here. You just have to have the USDT, and if you go onto your Binance account over here, you can click on buy crypto, click on credit/debit card, and change this from BTC. You can change this from BTC to USDT and get that USDT exchange for one token. You cannot buy the one token directly. You will actually have to go on and do some spot trading to receive one token, but you cannot do a direct credit or debit card buy for one presently on Binance. Overall, if we take a look at the Harmony token, it is a token that is going to achieve relative stability, but for short-term gains, for medium-term gains, it is not a suitable token. The overall Harmony platform is a very safe and secure platform that has a lot of potential for growth. They have the team, they have the culture, they have a open source software with team governance. The token is going to be helpful in governing the policies for this blockchain, and they have the securities of Ethereum applications. So you have the potential for a lot more growth with Ethereum applications running on Harmony. So that is why I do think it is going to be a stable investment for most people in the long term. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.